Now let's unravel the mystery of Delaware statutory trusts. So if you are a new listener, you may not understand the idea of like-kind property. When you're doing a 1031 exchange, you may hear the term like-kind exchanges, or is my property like-kind? And like-kind means that any type of real property qualifies for an exchange as long as you had the intent to hold that property for investment purposes. So what falls into like-kind, some very well-known pieces of real estate would be single-family home, multifamily, commercial office, industrial warehouse, vacant lots, even mineral and gas interests, air and water rights, but also Delaware statutory trusts.